Hello everyone, this is Magana Trevor again, and I've come back to talk about the laptop price predictor as this is my profile. But before I start, I kindly request and further request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like for more videos. As I start, we are still working on the laptop price predictor as we've been working out from the start from 1 to 3, and this is the fourth one. As I start, I will start with the laptop price predictor problem, like the challenge, like the challenges that this predictor has come to solve. And it says this project aims at solving the challenges people face in finding the exact kind of laptops they need to solve their everyday problems in work, studies, leisure, like the games, graphics PCs, and many more. And this brings about a lot of opportunities for frauds and other people with negative intentions to take this as an opportunity to overcharge many different people such as give them what they need. And this project is to help laptop users who know what they want to plan for how much they need by outputting the price of the exact laptop depending on the specifications the user is into the model after being prompted to do so. How does this come about? This predictor has come to solve problems whereby a person can be wanting a laptop which is in market price at around 1M. But then since this user comes ignorantly looking for the laptop, doesn't know any price range where the laptop can fall, the exact laptop he or she wants falls, this gives opportunities to these other frauds to a laptop of 1M to be sold to the user or to be sold to the free user or the need other one in need of it at around 1.4, 1.5, which is really unfair to these laptop buyers. And as I continue, we have the background of this laptop price predictor. This project uses a text input after the user is prompted to feed in the configurations of the laptop he or she desires. Then she is given back the tentative price of the exact laptop she or he needs. The input to this project, is the processor. We have the type of laptop, we have the brand of the laptop, we have the screen size of the laptop, the RAM of the laptop, the storage, and many more. This has come to solve the problems buyers have been facing to meet their desired goals for laptops. Through being checked and prices I've said in the previous slide in relation to the exact prices of the laptops in market for these pieces. And for this cause, the LPP project comes into play. So this is when the LPP project comes into play to solve such minor habits. Then we go to the AI accountability, and by definition, accountability is the foundation of governance of artificial intelligence. Accountability implies an ethical, moral, or other expectations, e.g., as set out in the management practice or code of conduct that guides individuals, organizations, actions, or conduct and allows them to explain reasons for which decisions and actions were taken. AI accountability is so important that since it protects the model from intended usage, which would yield into inaccurate and incorrect results. So when you go to the significance of the laptop, there's the importance of this laptop price predictor. The laptop price predictor application should be able or should be compatible to provide the tentative price of the laptop according to the user's configuration. How does this model do it, and how does it help? This model helps reduce on the risks users and buyers of laptops have been facing. This is because these are normally charged high prices compared to the normal prices. So the middlemen, they are even good middlemen that charge these high prices for these free laptop users and other people with their intentions. And this project is all about creating exposure to these free users. So it creates exposure to the free users of the laptop, such that a laptop user or free user comes knowing the amount of this laptop, the exact price of this laptop. And this also helps the buyers of the other free users of the model to plan and budget for how much they exactly need to get into the possession, the specifics or the specifications of these laptops that are generally for work, use, graphics, and other issues. The LPP, we'll go to the LPP project scope. And it says this project rotates around giving back laptops or giving back laptop prices to the users of these laptops. And after feeding, like when a user feeds in the details of the laptop he or she needs to the model, this project or what the model has to like give back the tentative price or the estimate of the price of that laptop. And under this scope, we need a data set, which works as a description of the input. So it's like the input gives, it trains the model, and the model expects like from the users of this model. Most of the data sets are noisy, and by noisy I mean like they contain a lot of unnecessary content which we don't need like at times. So this goes in the feature engineering, which helps us to get better results from the model, which is in this case the tentative price. So in this case, we expect output as the tentative price of the exact laptop. Though it is better to have that data since it makes our project competent and efficient with all inputs, and we have to build a model that can predict the tentative price of the laptop based on the user's configurations into the model. As I continue, we have the statement of this laptop price predictor, and it says that if any user wants to buy a laptop, then our application should be able to provide a tentative price of the laptop according to the user configurations. The user inserts into the application the configurations he or she needs, like a Dell laptop as the brand and the notebook type, or you have like notebooks, workstations, gaming, you have ultrabooks. So the user inserts in like notebook as a type of i5 as a processor. There are other processors like the i7, the i3, the Pentium, Celeron, and you have the screen size like 13.3 inches and 8 GB RAM. And then the storage can the user might be wanting SSD or 5 as the storage capacity and many more specifications. So this is how this is the input the user gets, I mean the model gets in order to give back the negative price of the laptop. And as I go further with the AI research questions, first question I have is, does the model predict the tentative price of a certain laptop? After that, what is price prediction? And after that, how accurate is the LPT model on price prediction? How do we determine accuracy? Determine accuracy by like by after getting the output or the tentative price of that exact model. And then you have which prediction model am I to use? The difference between like machine learning and artificial intelligence, and describe the six processes involved in the machine learning process, which is data pre-processing, data test, like model testing, model training, you have evaluation, and many more. And then distinguish between unsupervised learning technique and supervised learning technique. This and describe three techniques used under supervised technique of machine learning. This can describe three techniques under the unsupervised technique of machine learning. Like, and these techniques are many, like we have classifications, clustering, associations, and many more. And as I go further, I will go to the hypothesis. And the research hypothesis says that it is hypothesized that the laptop price prediction model will be able to predict the tentative price for the specific laptop a user wants, depending on the user configurations or the configurations that is which also based on the previous data we had to use and train it. It is predicted that if the user injects in the specifications of the laptops he or she wants, like the RAM, processor, screen size, storage, brand type, and many more, then he or she should expect or should get back the tentative price of the of that specific laptop. And the hypothesis is as a question, it comes like, did the model successfully predict the tentative price of laptop based on the previously fed in data to the model? And the paper title is the laptop price predictor model. And as I go further, we have the AI research objectives, and these research objectives look at the goals towards which the project is aiming at. It creates technology that allows machines and computers to work intelligently. And under this project, we are to get information about different specifications of laptops as one of the objectives of this research, AI research. We have to get information about the different specifications of laptops. You have to compile them, and then you have the specs. You have to get different specs of different laptops so that any use that comes, the system does not limit any users. Like the specs you or she wants. And the price for different laptops, these are from the manufacturers, the market prices, different, and many more. Um, and as we go to the dataset description, it says here that the dataset should be used in the project has different details from which output is got after the user inputs the details of the exact laptop he or she wants. And the first description, or the dataset description is the company. In this case of the laptop price predictor, like the Dell, the HP, the Asus, the Toshibas, the Apples, and many more. And the model, which is a Spring, and this is like an Inspiron, which is the model. We have the Vostros under Dell, we have the XPS under Dell, and then we have Elite books, Folios, Chromebooks, and HPs, and many more like the ThinkPads, IdeaPads in Lenovo, like the MacBook Airs, like the MacBook Pros in the Apples, and these are all strengths. And when you go to the type, we have a notebook, or ultrabook, or gaming, or workstation, and when you go to the inches or screen size, we have like 13.3, 14, 16, 16.6, 17. When you go to the CPU, the central processing unit, like the Intel Core i5 with the speed of 2.5 gigahertz, and the Intel Core i3 with the speed of 2.20 gigahertz. The RAM, which is a string like 8 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM. Then when you go to the memory, all the storage, it is 512, 128, operating system like Windows, Linux, MacOS, Ubuntu, many more. Go to the weight, have 5 kgs, 8 kgs, 2, like that. Then when you go to them, then the other link below is the link to my dataset that I'm going to use under this project, or I'll going through this project. And the proposed AI methodology, we have 5 major stages under this, and we have first stage is the data collection, the process of gathering and measuring information from many different sources. And in this stage involves collecting information about different laptops from different sources, which we have to feed into the model. And this is in relation to this model we are trying to use. Then we have the data pre-processing, which is the process of preparing raw data and making it suitable for a machine learning model. And this involves the process like feature engineering, feature selection, whereby feature engineering you try to edit the data set, removing the unwanted columns, removing the unwanted information from the data set. And then the feature selection is like putting into the data set what you exactly need for it to train the model. And you have the model training, which is the phase which involves fitting the basic combination of weight and bias to the machine learning algorithm to minimize loss function over prediction range. We have the model testing, which is a method that measures the accuracy of the model, model accuracy. And in this laptop price predictor, model testing takes place after training the model. And then inputs put into the model to view the price output. We have the model evaluation. This is the process through which we quantify or we evaluate that. Like from the definition of evaluation, we quantify the quality of the model's prediction. And this laptop price predictor, we evaluate the model by looking at the quality of the result it gives back to the user as the accuracy. Like that's the price generally. And these are the links that are used to source some information that have been managed to add into this document. I kindly request to visit them for more information, for more details, for more inquiries with such links in order to grasp all this and understand more about this project. And these are more of the references I had for you. You can visit them. There are some YouTube videos, there are some websites, there are some many different sources I got information from. And I thank you so much for your time, giving me to listen to all I had to say. Thank you so much.